Bibi's Mafe, a rich peanut stew, has been high on my list of recipes to try. I'll link the original recipe video below and also put my notes in the description. If you're in the mood for some comfort food, you'll want to give this unique dish a try.
Cooking with Bibi! Today we're going to be making Senegalese dish called Mafe, and it is a peanut butter stew like type sauce. So what you're going to need for this, and there's so many different kinds of recipes and ways to make this, but this is the way we make it. We kind of do a simple one. You can add so many more vegetables. We are going to add some carrots, probably about 3 carrots chopped up, some scotch, I think these are scotch bonnet peppers, I'm pretty sure. Some all-natural peanut butter, you do need the all-natural peanut butter, some minced garlic, a can of tomato paste. I prefer the original, but I accidentally picked up Italian herbs, so some black pepper, 2 potatoes. I'm probably not going to use all of this onion. I'm probably going to use half of onion. It could be any type of onion. And I'm going to use 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now, most people who make this dish use bone in, but this is just the chicken I have on hand right now. So, and we're going to use 2 cubes of jumbo, which is just like, it's a type of seasoning, stock cube. You can get these in African or Caribbean stores, I think. I know in African stores for sure you can, African grocery store. And I'm going to use this to grind the cube up. And we're going to use some peanut oil to, you know, just peanut oil is what we always use for this type of dish. So these are the ingredients you're going to need for that. So let's get cooking. Oh gosh. Okay, so first step we do is we add the chicken breast. This is like cooking ASMR on medium-high heat in the peanut oil. And we're going to cook it on both sides. Bibi's cooking. So we're just going to cook this and then eat it. And I'll be back whenever the chicken's brown. Ooh, yum. Look how brown those chicken baby breasts are getting. And see the little, at the bottom, that's all flavored down there. I know it looks like a lot of oil, but the juices from the chicken are mixing with that. Oh, I wish you could smell this place right now. Smells good, eh, babe? Thanks for cooking. Yeah. We're almost done. Now we're just going to add the chopped onions to the chicken. We did drain out a little bit of the oil. Oh, it smells so good. There's a minced garlic there in the jar, okay, babe? There's garlic there? In the jar. I'm not a great cameraman. Add a little bit of minced garlic. To your taste. Everything is to your taste. I mean, you can add as many onions, as much garlic, as much everything you want pretty much of any of these ingredients. I know I'm weird. Alright. Chop, chop, chop. I did wash these vegetables, but I don't peel them. Do I need to peel the potatoes?
If you want.
So we're gonna chop. The good thing about mafe is you can have big chunks of vegetables. Like usually they put just big chunks of vegetables. You don't have to cut them too small because you want them to withstand the cooking. You know. I'm just gonna put the lid, just let everything cook together for now. And so the potatoes, we're just gonna cut into pieces like that. Be careful with big kitchen knives. Okay, we'll be back, guys, in a few minutes. Alright, so we're just gonna add some jumbo seasoning. He's adding it now. Not all of it, just some of it. So just half now. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. Again, there's so many different ways. I mean, his mom and sister, you know, they've been making mafe in Senegal for years and years. They're just, you know, I've never, before I met him, I've never made this, so I can't compare to their cooking, you know. But we're gonna put the lid on for a few minutes, and yeah. And now he's mixing, is that the whole can? Yeah. Of tomato paste. Oh yeah, baby. And it's gonna mix with all the oils. So I'm just gonna mix it around, put the lid on, let it cook for a little bit. Looks good, babe. Adding more water. Hi, Sam. He is peeling the potatoes because he does not like the peel on potatoes, but I do. I don't mind. But I guess in this dish it's better without the peel. But again, it's pretty much to your preference, so. More water to cover the veggies. You can add as much water as you like. It depends how soupy you like your mafe. We like ours more on the thick side. So, and we poked holes all throughout the chicken breast. So the chicken breasts are going to absorb all that flavor. It's a very simple dish, but it's very delicious.
You gotta put water because if you put the peanut butter, it's gonna be sticky.
Yeah, you have to put. Don't you put more water when you put the peanut butter, though?
Yes.
So put enough water at least to cover the veggies and cook them, you know. So now we just let this cook for. You're gonna put the water and cover it and let it cook until the vegetables are tender, and then you're gonna come back and put the peanut butter. Okay, we're getting ready to add the PB&J. No, just the PB. Amazing amount of rice. Okay, we're gonna add some peanut butter. Oh yeah. Creamy goodness. I have not eaten since I had some leftover of that lentil lasagna with some side salad, 2 squares of dark chocolate, and that's it. I'm saving my calories for this meal. Yum yum. So I think you just put a couple of tablespoons. Are you going to add more water? And add, I think we've added about 2 or 3 cups, about 3 cups of water so far. So he's gonna add probably about another cup. We just eyeball, we really don't measure things. So about 4 cups of water total. And then we're just gonna cover the stuff up, guys, and let it cook. We're gonna reduce the heat and let it cook?
Yeah.
For about, I'd say about, what, 20 minutes? Give or take?
Yeah.
You'll know when it's ready. The oil will separate on the top. You'll see what I mean by that. I'll show you when it's ready, guys. Woo! It's splattered everywhere, but it's done. So we're just going to skim a little bit of the oil off the top. Once you stir it in, you know, it mixes, but now we're going to eat, guys. Hi guys! What's up, guys? We are going to eat this delicious mafe. So traditionally in Senegal and in other African countries too, you eat off the same big plate.
Yeah.
Like there's one big plate of food made for the whole family and for friends and neighbors who come and eat, right? And they invite everybody to eat. They're so generous and nice. And everybody just eats, you know? But if I go into your spot, is that rude?
Yes.
Okay, can I have the Maggi or the Bragg's soy? We're going to spray. Do you want some on yours?
Yeah.
This is that. Sriracha. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try. Gotta give them a beauty bite. So let me just get that. Beauty bite. Oops. Ah! Wow.
Is it good?
It's hot.
Yeah. Just finished.
Mmm. You guys, I wish you could eat this. Like,
Well, if you know of a restaurant that cook this, go there.
yeah, if you have any. So, okay, is Mafe a Senegalese dish or is it from another place? It's West African, right?
Yeah, but the thing is, they have a lot of peanut. So a
Senegal
country-
has peanuts?
Yeah, a country that have a lot of peanut develop a way to cook with it. Some of them are mafe. Another country too has mafe, like Mali.
Mali?
Yeah, but it's kind of the same way, but still different. Sometimes they say they have the real mafe. Sometimes they do. We don't know.
Do you know what they do different than this one?
Maybe they will put more water.
And in Senegal, you go walk to the market pretty much every day, right, to get your food?
Yeah. The only thing you buy for the most is probably rice, sugar, oil, stuff like that. But for the legume and everything, rice, maybe meat. You can froze it
Where do you buy vegetables?
at the market.
Do you remember? When's the first time I ate this here? You told me about it. He put a little word in my ear about mafe, this mafe, and I made it. We made it one night, and ever since then, I've been in love with mafe. Like,
In a nutshell, this mafe was delicious. The addition of peanut butter really elevates the stew and makes it incredibly creamy. Plain rice is really the perfect thing to serve it with, and the hearty root vegetables stand up to the sauce. So far, this is my favorite recipe from the Foodieverse. I'm looking forward to making it again, and I think I'll try the beef version and maybe add a few sweet potatoes. Thank you for sharing the recipe, Bibi.